Who said that? Who the fuck said that?
Hello everybody, and welcome to another NooB Auto Parts update. Oh, it's fucking cold today. This is Australia. It's meant to be the land of the fucking heat wave, and it's friggin' like 0 today. The other thing you probably noticed too is I'm not pixelated and blurry as fuck, and that's because I got a new camera. It's nothing fancy, it's just the latest model GoPro, so it's not a proper like filming camera or anything like that. But it's better than just using a phone. I can already tell how much clearer I'm coming through while editing this video. I apologise about the quality changing between GoPro and phone. It's just some of it was filmed on a phone, and then I got frustrated and went and bought a GoPro. I mean, I'm still a novice at editing videos and filming, so it's all new to me, but I figure a GoPro is going to be better than just using my phone, and it is. It's obvious it is. It's a massive difference in film quality. Now the other thing, every time I do a video I say I'm going to clean the workshop up, and it's a shit fight. And it's because every time I clean it, I immediately turn it back into a shit fight because I'm wrecking a car or whatever. And as you can see, there's just crap everywhere, again. I mean, the van stuff that was there, the pile of van parts that were there, I've got in a box in the other shed now. I bought a whole bunch of shelving in the smaller shed, so that should be a bit more organised by the end of today. All this RG shit has to go, so all this is going to be up for sale soon. I've got to sweep up in here. I haven't driven NooB for friggin' ages. She's still there. But I'll show you around a bit and give you a proper update, because I haven't updated the YouTube channel for quite a while. Like a proper update explaining everything that's going on and why the video uploads have been a bit lacking lately. So I'll go through all that soon. So one of the big things I've had going on the last couple days is this storage shed used to be a shit fight, and I'll show you. I'll put up a snippet of video I took with my phone. So today we're going to be picking up more shelving to try organise some things in the workshop. So I'm going to go down to Paramount Browns. Got my keys, got my wallet, phone. It's a lot of shelving. Alright. So the whole point to getting the shelving is to try sort out this shit fight, because as you can see, it's a freaking nightmare. I did have things neatly stacked, but it's all just fallen down because there is no shelving. So hopefully shelf along there, and maybe one here should do the job. Yeah, just how bad it was in here. Believe it or not, this is neat. All the shelving, I still need to sort things. The idea is to get all these boxes up on these sections of the shelf and underneath. Most of my seating is on shelving at the back, which is good. These steering wheels hanging here, I need to hang up here. So I'm going to grab that bit of wood and screw it in on this beam and hang them up there with those. They'll be out the way. I've still got a fair bit of shelf space I'll sort out, but it's just a matter of finding a spot for everything, and then I'll have more room. But yeah, as you can see, I've got the shelf back there with all the seats. Yeah, most of that's RA40 stuff. Most of this shit in general is RA40 stuff, really. Who am I kidding? Like, I'm freaking obsessed with these cars, so whenever I can, I'll get a wreck. Sapphire, are you okay there? Come on, get out. Move, Papa. Oh, you're a silly dog. So yeah, the idea is to get all this shelving sorted, everything onto the shelving, and this will be a nice, neat storage area for everything, which was the aim 2 years ago when I moved here. But the other cool thing I have to show you is is I got some map drawers. And the reason I got these is because trying to store door cards is actually a difficult task because they take up so much room and they have to lie flat, otherwise they warp, and some of these are warped slightly from not being perfectly flat. These are the GT door cards out of the TA45, so naturally I wanted these to be pretty well protected, you know. I wanted these to be well looked after, so the idea is to just store all my good door cards in here. And the great thing is, they're nice deep drawers, they're nice wide drawers, so they hold Celica door cards perfectly. So yeah, I got these for $100, so I'm pretty stoked about that. It's a school was getting rid of them, so they just wanted a donation, so I didn't want to take them for free like they had them. So I just paid them $100. It was what I had on me at the time. But yeah, so between the map drawers and getting all the door cards out of here into there and freeing up space on the shelves for more boxes, this should be pretty bloody awesome. And I'll be able to free up all the space in the workshop. Now back here is also a friggin' mess. Again, due to not having time, I've had to clear out the office area and bring all the parts in here now that I have shelving. So currently I just have shit everywhere, like the Supra center console, the GT fascias are just sitting here currently. They're bloody nice. I always stop to stare at them. All this shit is boxes for boxing things up, and I just haven't got to it at the moment. I really haven't had time, guys, and you'll see why. You'll see why in a sec. I mean, I still haven't even got around to bolting these tables to the floor yet, so I've got proper workbenches. It's a freaking nightmare. Vehicle wise, we've got a 120Y currently, an RA40 coupe, and a T18 that are all being wrecked slowly. I did have a cream KE70 here for a while that was sitting there, but that's sold. I sold that complete. Be one of the first KE70s I've ever saved. I thought I'd sell it because I got it running and registered, and I was driving it around for a little while. So I sold that. Young guy came and picked it up. So hopefully he enjoys that and looks after it. Yeah, it's not often I save cars, let alone a KE70. Didn't cut it up. I'm gonna have to wait until I get my grubby little hands on another one.
Who the fuck said that?
This one I actually got quite a while ago. But again, due to house renovations, I haven't even had time to start it. It's still in one piece at the moment. The reason I haven't had any time is because my wife and I have been doing some major house renovations. Our living conditions are a bit crappy at the minute. We currently have no kitchen. So this is the shit fight we're living in right now. This is our spare room right now. It's just full of shit, full of crap. So right now I have the fridge right next to all this. And the laundry is our temporary kitchen. No more kitchen. Walls and roof gyprocked. We've still got to do a bulkhead there. So no cornice for now. But the front room is done, gyprocked, and we've just done the first coat of paint on the walls. Roof's painted, just got to finish the walls off. So lounge room is empty, other than that, which is our range hood for the new kitchen, because the floor guy's going to come in and do the floorboards in all three rooms, the front room, the kitchen, and the lounge room. It's all going to be polished. floorboards are being done right now as I'm filming this. The guys in there are doing all that. The gyprock's been done in the kitchen and the front room. And we did the bathroom. We redid the whole bathroom. And also painted the front of the house to try freshen it up and make it not look so friggin' old and shitty. Don't know if I did an update on this or not. But the front of the house is looking pretty good at the moment. Rebuilt the veranda. The architraves around the windows have been redone. We just got to finish some things off, like the door, obviously. We're actually going to get a new door because this one's split. And I still need to finish that window. I still need to do a gutter along here. But you know, all the ridge capping up there is all done. But everything's still a work in progress. So the problem is I'm dedicating all my time and money to that. And so is my wife, so we have no time for anything else. We have no time for the projects. I haven't worked on NooB for months, since February. My wife hasn't worked on her RA40s for at least 12 months because of the house. The other thing that's taken up a lot of my time is I got a part-time job at the local fodder store as a delivery driver and doing all their labour work, like all the heavy lifting and stuff like that. The reason I applied for that was because it just popped up. It was an opportunity for some extra cash, you know. And being as broke as I am right now with this fucking house, I thought it'd be a good idea. So when that ad popped up on Facebook, I was like, oh, what have I got to lose, man? I cleaned up my resume after, 5 years of not using it. And I handed it in and got the job. I've been there 3 months now, so I'm pretty sure they're happy with me because they've kept me there. Usually 2 days a week, sometimes 3. I enjoy it. It's good fun. Yo.
Yeah, fucking love the corrugations, mate. Here we go. Fucking Jesus.
And I thought crickets were annoying. These bastards won't shut up. Shush! You're adorable, but shut the fuck up. Fucking chickens. It's pretty cruisy work, just driving around most of the time. The heavy lifting is less cruisy, but it's fine. I've always done labour jobs my whole life, you know, heavy lifting and all that. I guess it's what I'm good at. But yeah, so between new job, house renovations, and the business, I have no time for my own cars, let alone cleaning up the friggin' workshop. It's challenging, but we're nearing the end of the kitchen right now. The dude's doing the floors right now, and then our kitchen's being delivered in 2 weeks' time. Early settlers kitchen. All our appliances are getting delivered next week. So hopefully another month or 2 on the kitchen, and that'll be finished, and the front room. And then I will have some free time to finally work on my cars, because I want to get NooB running. Because it's pissing me off that it's just sitting here. I haven't driven it for so long. I miss driving it. And Facebook keeps doing those friggin' memory things where it's like, oh, hey, you remember this? And they make me sad because it's like, yes, I remember driving my fucking car 12 months ago. Can you not? The lesson for today, kids, if you want to spend all your money on cars, don't buy a fucking project house. Okay? I mean, the house is a good investment. Better than investing in an RA40, let's be honest. But it really does just suck the money out of you like the government. It is what it is. But once everything's sorted, we're going to be set. You know, we're going to have a nice house to live in. It's going to be comfortable. Next year, I'm hoping to build a massive shed out the side of this one. So. But yeah, so this is just a small update for you guys. I do plan on having a couple videos hopefully soon, you know. I'll try to do some things in between, like some more Toyota oddity videos, because they're pretty quick to do. And I've got some real odd shit here that I think people would love to see Toyota have made or endorsed or whatever. So I'm thinking of doing a couple of those to fill the void between now and actually having some free time to work on my projects. Yeah, this is just an update for everybody, because I've got a few subscribers now. I think, what, 200 something, so it's not massive, but you know, if I've got 200 people following the channel, that's 200 people I should probably inform of what the hell's going on. But yeah, I think that'll do for now, guys. You've been pretty well updated on why I'm lacking with content at the moment. Hopefully this video sheds some light on the shit that's going on in my life currently. And yeah, hopefully you can be patient and wait for the next video, which I'll try get something for you. Alright. Anyway, that's it for today, guys. I'll see you next time. Catch you later.